Hey darlings, welcome to my channel. I'm Aparna Shah. Thank you so much for being connected with me. I love you guys. So for all those people who've been connected with Jatin and me on Instagram, उनको पता होगा that we are exercise freaks. And जब lockdown happened, I had nothing else to do घर के काम के अलावा. So I started working out morning, evening. We started with half an hour of morning, half an hour of evening. And because there was very little to do, we started enjoying our exercises even more. Or eventually it came to a point that I was working out almost 1.5 hours in the morning and 1.5 hours in the evening. And which I didn't realize that excess of anything is actually bad. And around 3 months back, I faced some issues with myself and I showed it to the doctor. And I had basically overdone the whole exercise process. So I was asked to stop exercising for 2 to 3 months, जो बहुत ज़्यादा disheartening था. But now, thankfully, the doctors told me I can start exercising again. So you will see a lot more videos of Jatin and me exercising. And अभी because I was not exercising, मेरा बहुत उल्टा दिमाग चलता है इसमें that whenever I'm exercising, I eat clean. I'm more energized and I don't end up eating junk much. But the moment I stop exercising, I start eating a lot of junk. I increase my intake of chai. So abhi 3 months mein, I think I was having 4 to 5 cups of chai and I was eating a lot of pastries and any junk food that was coming my way. And because of which I obviously gained a lot of weight. So now I'm starting again to exercise, eating clean and basically cutting down on unhealthy food. So मेरा ये phase आता रहता है, like I 2-3 months I go berserk and then rest of the year I'm good. So this was probably the 2020 year that I went berserk again. But a lot of people uploaded the 4-minute HIIT. A lot of people messaged me and DM'd me about what all do we follow for our regular diet. Now, diet I won't be discussing right now because obviously it changes from person to person. I make sure that I get my checkup done every 6 months and based on whatever is required, I try and eat those things instead of taking a lot of multivitamins. But there are certain things that I follow and that I will share with you guys for weight loss, which most definitely will work. और जो mostly nutritionists, your gym trainers, everybody will recommend you these points. So I thought let me just make a video of what all I do. And I really hope this works for you guys as well. So the first thing that you have to do is quit having sugar, any kind of artificial sugar. It is going to be extremely difficult. जब I have like for 3 months I was eating and drinking my tea and pastries and all. So every time I try and quit it, it kind of brings a lot of mood swings. बहुत ज़्यादा craving होती है. I don't feel like eating healthy. But that is like for a week or so that you have to push yourself. उसके बाद it gets normal. So sugar is an absolutely no-no if you are looking at losing weight. The second point is you have to quit all kind of other sweets also other than the artificial sugar. Like I am very fond of sweets, so I don't quit completely, but I reduce majorly. Like I reduce intake to the level of once a month maybe or twice a month probably. मुझे और मेरे भाई को मीठा इतना पसंद है that when we used to sit down as children, my बुआ used to get big डब्बाज of रसगुल्ला और हम मूवी देखते देखते जैसे पॉपकॉर्न खाते हैं वैसे हम my mother, my brother and I used to eat rasgullas like popcorn. So that is the level of love we have for meetha. But yeah, that causes a lot of other issues also in the body, so it is an absolutely no. But yeah, you can kind of just learn to balance it and not quit it completely. Now the next point is you have to drink enough water. You have to hydrate yourself. That helps you lose weight, that helps you take out all the toxins from your body. And also if you can have warm water instead of thanda pani, that will do wonders. So as many times as you can, like I can't have plain warm water, so I normally add maybe green tea or black coffee once in a while, and rest I try and have like lukewarm. So that really works wonders for losing weight. Next point that is extremely difficult for me is to quit coffee and chai. Now chai is my favorite. That's like my mood booster. So it's very difficult, but the moment I take on to my diet, I always try and have less chai, less of coffee. And if you have alcohol, then alcohol is an absolute no-no, because other than whatever it causes in your body, all kind of alcohol has very high level of fats. So if you are having alcohol, you should try and cut that down completely. Now, instead of tea and coffee, what I do is I boil water with cinnamon, with soft, with jeera, and that kind of soothes me and makes me forget the craving for chai most of the time. So those are the things you can do that kind of helps you with weight loss as well. So the next point that I'm going to cover with you guys is very obvious, and one more myth I'll burst with you guys, which is the obvious thing is that you have to quit all kind of junk foods. Even at home, you cannot be having a lot of pani puris and pastas and pizzas and a lot of cheese. That has to go away from your diet. And second thing, people normally feel if you have to lose weight, you should come onto the diet of a lot of fruits and vegetables. Now, vegetables, when you're looking at losing weight, you can have as much as you want, but fruits also carry sucrose, which is like the natural sugar. So आप maximum 2 fruits से ज़्यादा in a day you should not have if you are looking at losing weight. Now, one more thing that I really follow is eating every 2 hours. So that ways I don't get very hungry when I'm eating after 4 to 5 hours, because ज़्यादा portion जाता है if you're very hungry. And second, when I am very hungry, I don't like to eat healthy. That is the time I crave more and more of junk food. So whether I'm hungry or not, 2 to 2.5 hours के बीच में I make sure I have something or the other for sure. Now this one will sound very funny to you guys, but believe in me, I have tested it and it has worked wonders. Use less of mobile phones, less of screen time, because जितनी ज़्यादा देर you're looking at the TV or you're looking at the mobile, you're just lying down or you're sitting. There is no activity you do, even if you're at home. So when you're at home, try and use less mobile phone. Like I have a rule from 10 at night till 10 in the morning, I don't touch mobile until I get a call. And I'm trying to increase that into evenings also, because I've realized the more I don't touch my mobile, the more activity I'm doing at home or even when I'm outside. I get to do more of, I'm moving around more. I kind of, other than my own exercises, the steps that I track are much more. So using mobile phones and screen time definitely helps you gain weight. So if you're somebody who's looking at losing weight, please give up on your screen time. Yeah, so these are the tips that will help you most definitely in losing weight. And if you do go on a journey of workouts and losing weight, please let me know in the comment box. Probably we'll do it together. I hope you're enjoying these videos that I'm creating. And अगर आपको पसंद आ रहा है, so please don't forget to subscribe. Bell icon please आप press करो, जिससे any video that I come up with, you're immediately informed. And if you are looking at losing weight, let's start the journey together. Message me in the comment box, and probably I'll keep sharing with you what I am doing. And until I see you guys again, have an awesome life and stay fit.